Hōkūleʻa and Hiki left Oahu and docked at Palekai Hilo on Hawaii Island, where they will take off on the beginning of their worldwide voyage. But why Hilo?
Starting in Hilo allows us, from the sailor's point of view, we can go to these 23 different ports downwind.
In addition to technical benefits of sailing downwind, there is a deeper reason for leaving from Hilo.
But for me personally, this island, this moku, this aina, its spirit's very deep, and therefore the canoe needs to be put into that spirit. I've been there a couple of times to study the stars, but it's a very deeply spiritual place, and it's a place that they call the first light, Kumukahi.
Kumukahi is the most hikina, the most eastern part of Hawaii Island, and therefore the entire island chain, where the sun rises and first light hits the islands.
Spiritually, even though I don't know that place, I'm not a historian, I'm not from this place, there is kind of a intuitive spiritual gravity that I've went there by myself as a young man, knowing that it's a special place. And to me, the voyage needs to begin in the light, and it needs to begin in the first light.
Hōkūleʻa and Hiki are scheduled to leave Palekai and sail to Kalaika'u on Friday, June 14, 2013.